In this demonstration, we're going to go over how to use Copilot Chat within Business Central. Copilot Chat is the most recent feature Microsoft have released to integrate AI within Business Central. To use Copilot Chat, you'll see at the top of your page, you get an option for Copilot. If you click on this, it will open up a new screen on the right-hand side of your page, and then you can start asking questions directly to Copilot. For example, if I've forgotten how to do a specific business process, I can ask it, how do I pick for a shipment? And Copilot's going to go away and it will look at Microsoft's documentation and it will come back with an answer for us. In addition to this, it will also have a link directly to the documentation so we can go and read in further detail if required. As you can see, Copilot's returned a step-by-step guide of how to run through a warehouse pick, but it has also at the bottom got a hyperlink to the documentation directly on Microsoft's website. You're also able to ask it questions about your data within Business Central. So I could ask, for instance, who is our best customer? And Copilot's going to go away and look at your data within the system to give you an answer to that question. You could also ask it, what is our best-selling item? Which item do we have the most stock of? And it's going to go away and return those answers to you without you having to run a report or go and investigate the data yourself. Whenever you get these answers, as you can see here, it's returned with our best customer, and I can now navigate direct to that customer's card from Copilot. With that, this concludes the demo on Copilot Chat within Business Central.